Hey, I'm Sean from MyBottomChef. In today's episode, we will be making 4 side dishes perfect for any holiday dinner. Roasted asparagus, sauteed carrots, Brussels sprouts and bacon, and sweet potato hash. Let's get started with roasted asparagus. Chop or break off the ends off of the asparagus. Drizzle some olive oil. Pepper. A little bit of salt. And finally, a little bit of lemon juice. Sprinkle a little bit on there. So, next we'll preheat the oven to 375 and bake for exactly 7 minutes. And we'll set it for 7 minutes. The asparagus is ready. Now let's make some sauteed carrots. Next we will peel 2 carrots. Next we'll cut up the carrots. You can use one of these fancy cutters or you can just use a regular knife. We'll add some butter. Pinch of salt. Place the carrots on the stove and set the heat to just above medium. This one is always a family favorite, Brussels sprouts and bacon. Cut 1 pound or 1/2 kilogram of Brussels sprouts into halves. Place a pot of water on the stove. Set the temperature to high. We want to bring the water to a boil before we add the Brussels sprouts. Add a pinch of salt to the water. Once the water comes to a boil, you want to add in your Brussels sprouts. Cover with a lid. Set a timer for 3 minutes. After the 3 minutes is up, remove the Brussels sprouts from the stove top and drain them through a colander, or drain it from the pot if you don't have a colander. Next, we're going to chop up the turkey bacon. You can use regular bacon if you don't have turkey bacon. You can use 3 strips of bacon for each pound of Brussels sprouts. Serve an onion for each pound of Brussels sprouts. Once your pan is heated up, add on some butter. Next, add your bacon. Add the onions. Add some more butter. Smells really good. Give everything a good stir. Keep everything moving. You don't want nothing to burn, so keep everything moving. Now we will add the Brussels sprouts. Add some more butter. Sprinkle some salt. Add some fresh ground pepper. When the Brussels sprouts look like this, then they are ready. So there you have it, Brussels sprouts and bacon, perfect for any holiday dinners. And the best for last, sweet potato hash. 1 large or 2 medium sweet potatoes. 2 medium potatoes. 1/2 red bell pepper. 1 medium sweet onion. 4 cloves of garlic. Set the temperature on the stove to high. Add 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Add in the garlic. Add in the onions and stir until they are golden. Add in the potatoes and cook on medium heat for 10 minutes. Remember to stir every few minutes. Add in the sweet potatoes. Add 1/2 teaspoon or 4 pinches of salt. Add some fresh ground pepper. Cook on medium heat for 10 minutes. Remember to stir every few minutes. Add in the red pepper and cook on medium heat for 3 minutes. And there you have it, sweet potato hash. Delicious. Hope you all have a great Thanksgiving, and we'll see you next time.